Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to unpin a chat on the Gmail app. This is a quick and straightforward process, so let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. You'll find it easily among your other applications. Once you're in, look for the chat icon at the bottom of your screen. This icon usually resembles a speech bubble, and tapping on it will bring up all your ongoing chats. Now, you'll see your pinned chats at the top. To unpin one, simply long press on the chat you want to remove from the pinned section. A menu will pop up, giving you several options. From this menu, tap Unpin. And just like that, your chat will no longer be pinned. It's an easy way to declutter your chat list and keep only the conversations that matter most to you at the top. Remember, unpinning a chat doesn't delete it. It simply moves it back to the regular chat list. You can always access it later when needed. That's all for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using Gmail and other apps like a pro. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.